Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 19 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 2294. Partition array such that maximum difference is k. Okay, and I'm not going to say that this problem is of medium level. This problem is very easy. Let's read the problem statement first. You are given an integer array nums and an integer k. You may partition nums into one or more subsequences such that each element in nums appears in exactly one of the subsequences, right? So let's suppose your nums array is like this: 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so if you are partitioning this nums, then here if 2 and 3 appears in this partition, then next time 2 and 3 should not appear in any other partition. Okay, so next time only remaining elements are 4 and 5, so you can say that 4 appears here and 5 appears here, right? So that's the meaning of this line. You may partition nums into one or more subsequences such that the each element in nums appears in exactly one of the subsequences, right? So if I'm using this 2 here, then I should not use this 2 here or in any other subsequences, right? And we have to return the minimum number of subsequences needed such that the difference between the maximum and the minimum value in each subsequence is at most k, right? Okay, so we are dealing with the minimum number of subsequences right here. And what is subsequence? A subsequence is a sequence that can be derived from another sequence by deleting some or no elements without changing the order of the remaining elements. All right, so here if you see this example number 1, this is my nums, right? 3, 6, 1, 2, 5 and k is equal to 2, right? So here we can partition nums into two subsequences, 3, 1, 2 and 6, 5. Okay, since we are dealing with the minimum. Okay, so from here if you notice one thing, we are just going to return this output 2, right? How many partitions are possible? Okay, minimum number of subsequences, right? This is what we need to return. So I can do the sorting on this, right? If I do the sorting on this, I will get result like this: 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, now also here see I'm taking 3, 1 and 2, this 3, 1 and 2. Now it is easy now. Here I should also check the difference. Okay, so here see 3 and 1, what is the difference? Difference 2, right? Okay, but if I take 1 to 5, so okay, so since this is already sorted, so 5 to 1 difference is 4, right? So we can't include this in one subsequence. Okay, right? So until here I can include, right? 1, 2, 3, right? So here 3 minus 1 difference is still 2, right? So here just take it one sequence. Okay, here I don't need to add until here because 5 minus 1 difference is 4, right? So I can't take. So from here I will start next. So 5 to 6 you will find one more, right? Okay, so this is one subsequence, right? So output is 2, right? Since we have to return the minimum number. Okay, so we have to become here greedy and we have to do the sorting. This is what we need to do: greedy plus sort, right? Okay, very simple. So here what you are going to do, this is your input 3, 6, 1, 2, 5, right? Do first step you have to do the sorting, so you are going to get 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. After sorting you need to run you have to fix your here, let's suppose this is your minimum value, right? And right now when you are going to start, okay, main value is 1, right? Then you are going to run one loop. Okay, so I is equal to 0, okay, until here only. If you have to like, so 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. Okay, so difference is tell me it is greater than k. K value is in this example 2. Okay, is it greater than k? 0 is greater than 2? No. Okay, move your I to the next step. So your I reaches here. So now 2 minus 1, is it greater than 2? 1 is greater than 2? No. Move your I forward. Okay, 3 minus 1 is greater than 2, 2 is greater than 2, not yet. Okay, so move your I forward. Okay, so now you are going to move your I forward here and you will find out that 5 minus 1 is greater than 2, right? 4 is greater than 2, right? So what you need to do in this case, when if this is the condition, okay, then you have to update your answer. Okay, you are going to create one variable, let's suppose answer. Okay, and you have to increment the value of answer. Okay, answer plus plus, right? Okay, so until here you have one answer, right? That's the premise. And next time here your condition becomes valid, right? This one. So from here again you have to start. Okay, so here you are taking 1 in the start as first value. So now you have to take this 5 as the start value, first value, right? Move to the next step. Okay, so here you reach now 6 minus 5, is it greater than 2? No, 1 is greater than 2. Okay, so start answer value with 1 only. Okay, initially with 1 only. So here when you find this, then just change it to 2, because if you are doing partitioning here in just one place, so it is dividing your array into 2, right? So start with 1 only, okay, initially, right? Okay, done. So this is what you need to do, right? So very simple. If you want to let's see this example number 2 also. 1 2 3 k is equal to 1, so this is already sorted. uh Here 1 okay, so here 2 minus 1, so this is valid, right? 1 and 2, right? So but 1 2 and 3 is not valid. Okay, so we have to do the partitioning here, right? Okay, so next time only 3 is left, so these two are the output. Okay, 2 is the output, that's it. And now see this example. So here are 2 2, right? Then it's already sorted, then 4 and then 5. Okay, so we are just running single loop, right? Single loop. Okay, so in of n we are finding out this, but we are also doing the sorting. So for sorting, time complexity is going to be of n log n. Okay, and elements we are sorting, so of n log n is a time complexity for the sorting part. Okay, so let's write the code. Very simple, nothing complex here, only few lines of code. So first you have to do arrays dot sort, right? And here just pass your array nums, right? And here in create one variable int ans. Okay, set it to 1 initially, right? Okay, and here we are starting from this nums of 0. Okay, right now, right now simple one loop, that's it. For int I is equal to 0, on this we are going to start I is less than nums dot length I plus plus, and inside this just write one if condition. If nums of I minus r is c, okay, if it is greater than k, right? Okay, only then update the value of answer, right? And here just set this rec to nums of I. Okay, that's it. And then you have to just simply from here you can simply return the answer, that's it. Okay, so because of this sorting, as of sort, time complexity is going to be over and log n. Let's run the code and see if the encode issue will try to fix that. All the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem.